Okay, we're going to make a reference dimension, which is just basically a dimension based off of snowflaking, a snowflake design. So in this particular case, we're trying to get the geography data to the internet fact sales data from the internet sales. And that really should be embedded in the customer table because it's the customer's geography. So that should be really embedded in here, but instead of being embedded in here, somebody snowflaked it. They created a separate table. So in order to get this data connected here, we have to also use the customer table to connect the two, because you can see there's a relationship here, and there's a relationship here that connects geography all the way down to the sales. So first we have to create these two dimensions. So let's create the dimension geography. And so we say new dimension, and we select the table, and we select the city and the country code, and we hit next, we hit finish, and now we need to turn that country code into a country name. So now we want to do English name. And now that's done, and now we can say country, city, and we can turn off visibility, hierarchy visibility, So now that's done. So now we can test this. Now the relationship, this is fine because this because countries and cities is kind of weird. So you have to you can't say that this is a rigid hierarchy because there's going to be some incongruities here. There are cities that are countries and things like that. So now we have to also create that customer dimension to link them. So we're going to say new dimension. We pick the customer dimension, and we don't do that because we already created it, and we don't need any of these keys except for, of course, the geography key that we're going to use to link it. Or we don't need any of those fields. So now we hit finish, and there's our customer. So now when we come into here, into our cube, we now can add that new geography dimension, and now it's there. Now if we wanted to use that, we can't, because if we're coming here to dimensions, say dimension geography, it does not have a connection to any of the facts. And we want it connected to this fact, which means we need the connection to be here. And so we want to say a referenced dimension, and this is where I get stuck again. Okay. The reason this is because you actually have to add that customer data. You can't just connect. So we actually have to go in here and add that customer dimension. Now when we go into the usage, we can see the customer is connected. So now when we come in here, we can now connect through this connection. So now we want to hit referenced. Now there's customer. And of course we want to go geography key, geography key. Okay, now it's referenced. And that's all there is to it.